Welcome back to your channel Code with AI. Today we'll be talking about identifiers like class and IDs, and we'll also be talking about what we call the div and span. So let's dive in. So when we talk about classes, IDs, now difference between classes and IDs is that classes are unique classes are not unique identifiers, but IDs are unique identifiers. And when by identifiers, they add a sort of way of referencing a particular tag or bunch of tags or bunch of elements to a CSS and style it like a family or like a group. Just like we want to when let's assume we want to make this 2p tag have the same attributes, the same styling. We can use the class to style them to have the same attribute and styling in CSS. But with IDs you can't do that. And how do we add classes? Let's use this h1 for instance. You can just do class, then your equals to, then you have then your double quotes the name of your class. Let me say head 1. Then you now reference the head 1 in CSS. So that's how you reference your class. And how do you reference your ID? How do you put in your ID? You do ID, the name of your ID, and so on. So when we talk about div and span, they are containers that block element containers. So div is, let's say, like most people right now they use divs compared to the traditional tags. They're easily stylable containers. And so let's look at an example. Let's assume we want to give these 3p tags the same attributes. And how do we do that? We do that by just adding a div tag above them all. So I have styled a class. I've given a class some styling properties, and when I add the div tags to these p's, to these 3 paragraph tags, they take on that styling, and class are reusable but IDs are not reusable. Let's say it in action. So I just put a div tag. Let's cut the other tag. Let's nest the 3p tags in the div tags. So we'll come here and refresh. Nothing. So let's put in our tag, our class. Then we have name of the class is style underscore 1. Let's refresh. You can see only the p tags are affected with a different styling. That is the usefulness of classes. And if I put this class in any other thing, it takes on that style. Let's try it here. Control C, Control V. On refresh, you see the last one also took that styling. So that is the advantage of using class. They are reusable, and they can go in anything. So also we have what they call span. So I've styled a span too. What they call span. So let's put in our span tag. Let's cut it here. Ctrl S, Ctrl V. So let's put in our class style 1, but this time it will be style 2. I've given style it already. We'll refresh. You can see it's taking a different style from the others. So that is the essence of using this. But use the appropriate tags only if you use divs and tag, if there is no other option. But I would advise you use appropriate tags for each thing. So this is how to use your class and your IDs. And IDs are used in menu navigation, web page navigation, because they are unique. You can't use it's not IDs are not reusable in any way at all. So this is the little about divs, time spans, classes, IDs. So if you really like this video, like, share, and subscribe.